to study experiment number 18 to perform and report identification test on the given sample of ampicillin trihydrate as per IP. So here you can see that the drug is available used for a pharmaceutical and medicinal purpose, and it is available as white microcrystalline powder which is odorless or almost odorless. In case of the solubility, the drug is slightly soluble in water, practically insoluble in alcohol, chloroform, ether and fixed oil. It is soluble in solutions of acids and alkali hydroxide. So this is our sample, that is ampicillin trihydrate, and now we are going to perform first, and you can see that here the nature is microcrystalline, color is white and odor is odorless. So all the tests are complies as per IP. Next we are going to perform the solubility, and we are going to check the solubility in case of the water, alcohol, chloroform, ether, acids and alkali. So one by one we will check the solubility. We are going to check the solubility in case of water. So compound plus water. You can see that the drug is slightly soluble in water. Next we are going to check the solubility in case of the alcohol. Compound plus alcohol. You can see that the drug is practically insoluble in alcohol. Here you can see that. Now we are going to check solubility in case of chloroform. Compound plus chloroform. Again it is insoluble. In case of ether, so compound I have already taken in a test tube. Here also it is insoluble. Check the solubility in case of the acid. Compound plus dilute sulfuric acid. You can see that it is soluble in acid. Solubility in case of dilute alkali, that is sodium hydroxide. Again compound plus dilute alkali. So it is soluble in alkali. Next we are going to perform the identification test. For this test we have to take 0.1 ml of solution of ninhydrin on a filter paper, dry it, and on the same drop or on the same spot on the filter paper you have to put a drop of your drug and heat it for 5 minutes and allow to cool. You will observe the reddish violet color is produced. So here in this square I am going to put a drop of this ninhydrin solution. Okay. So here you can see I have put one drop in this area. Now we have to dry this spot at 105 degree, but I am going to dry it on a burner. So I am going to dry it, but you should actually dry it on oven at 105 degree. You can see that this has been dried, and I am going to put a drop of our solution which is dissolved in a water in which it is slightly soluble on the same area. You can see the spot. Now I am going to heat it for 5 minutes at again 105 degree and allow to cool. you can see that here reddish violet color is produced. This test is you have to suspend the drug in 1 ml of water and 2 ml mixture of 2 ml potassium cupritartrate solution and 6 ml water, and you will observe the magenta violet color. So here in this test tube I have taken compound plus water and now going to add potassium cupritartrate solution. This is the potassium cupritartrate solution. You can see at the bottom there is a development of magenta violet color. At the bottom of the test tube you can see that magenta violet color is produced. Okay. Mention that you should add water, but as we have dissolved our compound in water only and again we have to add water, you can see here the magenta violet color is produced, and again you can observe that here also the reddish violet spot is produced. What it indicates that ampicillin is confirmed or it complies all the tests which are given as per IP. The given sample of ampicillin trihydrate complies the test as per the IP, and test A and B are complies. Now structure of ampicillin, you can find out the structure of ampicillin from your book. We have already studied the structure in chapter number 4, antibiotics. So you have to draw or write the structure from that chapter.